Thanks for logging on to ABC15.com. I'm meteorologist Iris Hermosillo on this ABC 15 Weather Action Day. Strong, severe thunderstorms rolling through the valley overnight. And we're not completely done with that storm threat as we go into the afternoon. We are still under a flash flood watch across central Arizona, including the valley through 5 o'clock here this evening. And that flash flood watch also extends down into southeast Arizona through this evening. I think we could still see some pop-up showers and thunderstorms into the afternoon. But then by about 6 o'clock or so, that's when we'll clear out those rain chances. But in the meantime, you still have to remain weather aware. And in northern Arizona, we are still under winter storm warnings all along the rim, including northwest Arizona, spots like Flagstaff, Payson, Heber, and also Show Low. Those winter storm warnings stretch down into southeast Arizona as well. And we've got winter weather advisories in northeast Arizona, these indicating that the heavy snow could cause significant travel issues across northern Arizona. And these are going to be in effect through tonight into early tomorrow morning before they expire. We're also still dealing with wind advisories, areas north of the rim from about Page over to Show Low, and then southeast Arizona under those wind advisories too. A cold front that moved through our state and moved through the valley overnight is what's prompting those stronger winds. But even behind that cold front, it's still going to be breezy to windy across the state, including right here in the valley. The winds just won't be as strong as what we felt overnight. So as I walk you through Futurecast, let's talk timing on the rain and snow, because the heaviest snow will continue along the eastern rim and the White Mountains region here through lunchtime and even into this afternoon. But for the valley, anything that develops from here forward into the afternoon will be fairly scattered, not as widespread as what we saw yesterday. But that does not mean we can't see some heavier downpours. That's certainly a possibility. You'll notice through lunchtime some pop-up showers and thunderstorms are still possible. Here's 2 o'clock. You'll notice that the snow becomes more scattered across northern Arizona, but snow and slick roads are still a possibility. Here's 4:30 on the latest Futurecast. A few pop-up showers or thunderstorms. Again, still possible. Is it going to be widespread? Probably not, but the possibility is there, so we'll have to keep an eye on that. Then by 6 o'clock, notice how the rain really begins to clear out of the valley. Up north, still dealing with those snow issues even during this evening, though, so that's important to keep in mind. And overnight, snow showers are still going to be possible, not as widespread, but they'll be possible overnight into very early tomorrow morning. Here's 6:30 tomorrow morning. A few snow showers still possible along the eastern rim. The valley will be dry to start the day tomorrow. I think will be mostly sunny through the day. A few clouds moving in tomorrow evening and on Sunday, but staying dry through the weekend. So as you look at the travel impacts for the holiday, maybe you're going to be making your way back home this weekend. Now today, again, this morning, the main impacts along I-10, especially in southeast Arizona now. The I-17, the I-40, you just want to avoid traveling on those highways and those surrounding roadways, as it's likely we're going to see that snow and those impacts along both of those highways, not just during the morning today, but into the afternoon. And then tonight, you're really going to need to use just caution. I know road crews are going to be busy trying to get those highways clear, and they may do so, but you may still encounter some slick spots. So keep that in mind. Caution is necessary along the I-17, the I-40, and on Saturday, the I-40 still could be a little tricky. So keep that in mind. For areas along the I-10, including here in the valley, I think tonight improving. We should be good to go. Saturday looks dry as well. As you look at the winds now, we had some really strong winds overnight thanks to that cold front. But even behind that cold front, it's still going to be breezy to windy across the state, with valley winds through the afternoon today at about 10 to 20 miles an hour here through the afternoon into the evening, gusts near 25 to 30 miles an hour. Then those winds will lighten up late tonight and into tomorrow, expecting lighter winds. To northern Arizona, you'll notice that wind gusts will still be on the strong side, gusting at times near 40 to 45 miles an hour today. So very gusty winds up there. That snow that fell overnight and this morning could get blown around. So visibility problems, we could still encounter that. And then tonight, those winds start to lighten up. And by tomorrow, we're looking at lighter winds. Now, what's not going away? The colder air. Temperatures today will struggle to make it back into the 50s, but we'll just barely get there here this afternoon. Now, you'll notice up north, temperatures throughout the day below freezing in spots like Flagstaff. High temperatures may sneak back up into the upper 50s in western Arizona. Then tonight, we've got cold air settling in. That low in Flagstaff down to just 9 degrees by Saturday morning. For Phoenix, we'll be down to 41, but we're going to see a lot of spots dropping into the 30s by Saturday morning. So as those clouds clear out, it is going to get cold valley-wide. So keep that in mind. If you've got early morning Saturday plans, you're going to need to definitely layer up. After those rain chances clear out tonight, we are dry through the weekend. Tomorrow, upper 50s, still pretty cold though. And certainly if you're heading out to that Territorial Cup, the ASU U of A game tomorrow night. It is going to be 40s to 50s during the game, so layer up. You might need a blanket too at the game. Tomorrow we are in the 50s and mostly sunny, back to partly cloudy on Sunday in the mid 60s, and then milder Monday and Tuesday in the low 70s, dry as well. Rain chances do return Wednesday and Thursday, but that storm system not looking as strong as the one we just saw.